Okay, so in this video, I am going to be showing the configuration that I used to create my first reflection hologram with this new setup. So I'll first show a top-down view, and then secondly, a walkthrough around the table. Okay, so this is the top-down view of the table configuration. As you can see, we start with the laser, and it directs the beam towards a mirror, which then reflects the beam towards a beam splitter. Now, the first split beam goes towards another mirror, which then reflects the beam towards the object. So this is essentially providing additional illumination for the object. Now, the second split beam goes towards another mirror, which then reflects it towards the object. So this is acting as the reference beam. And as you can see, the object is located behind the plate holder, and this is what we have with a reflection hologram. Now, the other key aspect to this is the angle of the plate relative to that reference beam. And you can see that indicated by the gold arrow. Now, if we had it angled according to the blue arrow, the issue with that is that when we want to view the hologram, the illumination source would have to be directly behind your head, and that would not be very practical. So instead, we angle it differently. In this case, I have chosen it to be angled according to the gold arrow. Now, additional experimentation could determine what a more optimal angle would be, but this is what I have chosen for this particular example. Okay, so this is the walkthrough around the table. Again, as you can see, we start with the laser, and the beam shutter is open, and the beam therefore is directed towards this first mirror, as explained earlier, which then reflects the beam towards a beam splitter. And one of the split beams goes off to the far mirror over here, which then directs the beam towards a beam expander, in this case a microscope objective lens, and this acts as the reference beam. So this is going to illuminate the object, which again is located behind the plate holder. And the other split beam goes towards this mirror located here, which uses another beam expander, and this again acts as additional illumination of the object. So this is coming in from the side. So again, this is kind of a nice way to visualize the configuration with this walkthrough around the table. And you can get an idea of how this reflection hologram was created. Now, this is one of my very early attempts, so I'm sure it's not the most ideal configuration, but it serves as a starting point. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.